Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see Mathuram, our exclusive range of pure Kanchivaram soft silk saris. All these saris are priced between 7,500 and it goes up to 12,000. Mathuram by Prashanti is an exclusive range of hand-picked soft silk saris. All these saris are very lightweight with contemporary designs in silver zaris, golden zaris, antique zaris, brocade patterns, borderless styles and much more. All these saris are pure hand-woven silk saris and are silk mark certified. The zari used is half fine zari. These saris are perfect to carry for any occasion. All these saris are pure silk saris and have to be always dry cleaned for a longer life. Most of these saris come with contrast matching blouses. Few saris have got buttas as well. There are also saris with self-matching blouses. You can go for simple embroidery on these blouses which will look very classy with the sari. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the product page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. All the saris that I'm going to show you today are available in our website. To buy these saris, please log on to www.prashantisaris.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. First one for today, it's a beautiful color combination of peachish pink with teal. All over zari brocade weaving in geometric pattern running throughout the sari. Very classy and rich. A rich self pallu in silver zari, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse priced at 9,750. Brown with pastel green, a very different color combination with antique kadi zari borders and a strip of silver zari running on both sides of the sari. The body has got beautiful floral zari buttas and gold and silver zari alternating vertically throughout the sari. Contrast rich pallu in pastel green, that's the pallu, and a plain green blouse priced at 8,710. Royal blue, gorgeous color. This has got a plain body in royal blue with beautiful raising temple pattern of floral buttas running towards the bottom part of the border. The same pattern in the pallu with floral motifs. Plain blouse in royal blue priced at 9,990. Coffee brown with sap green, another pretty color combination. Borderless style with beautiful paisley buttas running throughout the body. A contrast antique zari woven pallu in green, that's the pallu, and a plain green blouse priced at 8,020. Rust orange with magenta, one more beautiful color combination with single side border. The top part of the body has got small zari woven buttas running throughout the sari with a long border. Very pretty Mail chakram along with elephant and deer motifs alternating along the bottom part of the border. A contrast rich pallu in magenta, that's the pallu. A plain blouse in magenta, priced at 9,990. Violet with turquoise blue, one more beautiful color combination. Borderless style with geometric paisley buttas in gold and silver alternating throughout the body. A contrast rich pallu in turquoise blue, that's the pallu. Contrast plain blue blouse, priced at 8,550. Apple green with dark green, one more beautiful sari with kadi zari borders on either sides. The body has got small floral zari buttas running along the sari with beautiful peacock motifs in dark green towards the bottom part of the border. Contrast rich pallu, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in dark green, priced at 8,710. Dual shade of green and blue, a very pretty color with contrast selvage in navy blue. The body has got very pretty and beautiful gold and silver zari woven coin buttas running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich self pallu with a touch of gold and silver zari. Contrast plain blouse in navy blue, priced at 8,120. Lavender with peach, one more beautiful sari with contrast selvage and peach on either sides. Box buttas in antique gold and silver zari running throughout the sari. A rich self pallu in geometric pattern, that's the pallu. A contrast plain blouse priced at 8,120. Maroon with beige, a very classy and a rich sari with beautiful cross line weaving in copper zari running all over the body in brocade pattern. A contrast pallu in beige with copper zari weaving, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in beige priced at 10,880. Green with orange, one more beautiful sari with zigzag pattern in silver zari borderless style running throughout the sari. A contrast rich silver zari woven pallu in orange, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in orange, priced at 8,320. In Vetri's product of the day, we are going to see brass Tirupati Balaji Urli. This is a magnificent brass antique decor with Tirupati Balaji idol in the middle, surrounded with peacocks, shank and chakra, embellished with red, green and blue gemstones. On the top semicircle of the Urli is 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu portrayed beautifully in brass. This Urli is 17 inches in height and the diameter of the Urli is 13 inches. This weighs around 14 kgs and is priced at 25,160. To buy this product, please log on to www.vetri.com. You can also click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the product page. Dual shade of pink with chiku, another unique color combination. Borderless style with box buttas of paisleys in silver zari weaving running throughout the body. A contrast rich pallu in chiku, that's the pallu. A plain blouse in chiku color, priced at 8,990. Navy blue with grey, one more beautiful sari with contrast simple antique zari lined borders on either sides. The body has got very pretty brocade weaving in antique zari floral pattern running throughout the body. Contrast pallu in grey, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in grey, priced at 8,540. Teal with navy blue, one more pretty sari. Brocade pattern in geometric design running all over the sari in silver zari weaving. A contrast rich pallu in navy blue, that's the pallu, and a plain blue blouse, priced at 10,150. Beige with mustard, a very unique color combination with contrast borders on either side, simple zari lines on both sides of the sari, with the body having thread woven paisley buttas in two colors alternating throughout the body. That's the pallu, very classy and elegant. A contrast plain blouse, priced at 8,710. Red with grey, one more in borderless style, a very classy and a rich sari with floral zari woven buttas running vertically throughout the sari. A contrast rich silver zari woven pallu in grey, beautiful buttas in silver zari along the blouse, priced at 8,320. A very different shade of brown with box buttas and paisley pattern running throughout the sari in silver zari, borderless style. Rich self pallu in silver, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in brown, priced at 8,990. Yellow with teal, one more beautiful color with simple contrast selvage in teal along with piping zari borders on either sides. The body has got checked pattern with thread woven peacock buttas alternating in between the checks. A contrast pallu with thread and zari woven pattern. Plain blouse in teal, priced at 8,710. Purple, one more beautiful sari, half and half style. The top half of the body has got zari checked pattern along with peacock motifs in silver zari. The bottom half has got very pretty brocade pattern in geometric style running throughout the bottom half of the sari. A contrast rich pallu in peachish pink, silver zari woven pallu. Plain blouse in peachish pink, priced at 9,560. Pista green with grey, a very classy and a rich sari with retapet borders on either sides. This has got beautiful peacock and floral pattern woven in silver zari along the borders, with the body having small silver zari woven paisley buttas running throughout the middle portion of the sari. A contrast pallu in grey with rich zari woven pattern, that's the pallu. Beautiful butta style blouse in grey, priced at 9,560. Peachish pink, a very pretty sari with rich Kanchivaram style traditional borders on either sides. The body has got brocade pattern with small floral buttas running all over the sari. Rich self pallu, that's the pallu. Plain blouse with rich zari woven border, priced at 11,420. Deep jamun color with turquoise blue, the last one for today, with simple zari woven borders in silver on either sides. The body has got horizontal lines of silver zari running along the middle portion of the sari with copper and silver zari woven floral buttas on either sides of the borders. A rich self pallu, that's the pallu. A contrast blouse in turquoise blue, priced at 8,320. I have just shown you one color in each of the designs. We have 6 to 8 colors available in each of the designs that I had showcased in today's video. All these saris are available in our website. To buy these saris, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Alternatively, you can click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.